Ilocos Norte. Certificate of Appreciation. This certificate is proudly presented to you, Sir Jack McKinney, former owner of Brisk Trucking, Vancouver, Washington, USCA. In his invaluable presence as the crowning guest and speaker during the Barangay Barestas Fiesta 2025 Balikbayan Night with the team Barestas, Rambakan, Tinatanok, Tinatigserken, Pinamanan, Yaman, and for sharing his vast and fertile experience, stamina in weathering all life's challenges, and learning behind an unblemished record of integrity and excellent performance for the community to emulate. Given this 27th day of January 2025 at Barestas, Amphitheater, Barangay Barestas, Tiras, Ilocos Norte, signed Honorable Antonio P. Rodriguez III, Director General, Barangay Fiesta 2025, signed Barangay Chairperson, the Honorable Pogi Albert Tolentino. Palakpakan tayo, ngayon yung nabsag, as we have in the Certificate of Appreciation. Congrats, Sir Sayan, Barestas. We are so happy to have you, Mr. and Mrs. Maki. Thank you very much for loving us, and thank you so much for loving our sister. Palakpakan kayo, Jai. For without loving our sister, I will not love you. So, can I kiss you na? Oh, kiss mo na, Rodel. Mauna si Rodel to kiss. Grabe! Thank you very much, guys. Okay? Dahil lang, photo opportunity. O kita nyo na pintas kayo, pagkakatawa kayo, nalawag tinutrupa nyo, nabugdakas na kay lang, direktas, itimano po. Mano po 10. Wala na pera, version ko na. Thank you very much, Apo Aladdin, Apo Elmer Tolentino. Ayan. Please be rested. Apo Mayora, nagpitas ka na ayaman. Mawala kanta ka. Yes, halika dito. Yes, kaya halika. Yes. To every time, can I have you? You smell good and you look good and I love your, my God, hair there. Mama! Mama!
Si Mayora, oh!
Diba?
Iniwan mo na si Mayora!
Mayora!
Iniwan mo.
Yes, halika dito. To entertain our royal court, may salam ma'am, as requested, may we have a special number coming from Mayora, Jobel, Sagid, Gosi, ano ko ba?
Ano ka ba?
Hanggang ba, iskisisan. Para tayo na niya ako, Mayora. Pagsipan, iso na, dahil puso na. Amoy Italian family, o Rizal.
Yes! Basta na! Pagkagwapa!
Ito po na.
Walang mga force, walang mga
So, okay, no? Kausap mo na si Joko. Minsan, pinagigit ang lukuray. Queen, in the person of Ma'am Yolanda, Ma'am Ceci, and Ma'am Erlina Akbar. Ladies and gentlemen, to entertain us tonight,
10% talent, 90% fighting spirit.
high 5%, talent 38%, God